Good morning! How are you doing today? Hope you're about to have an awesome day. We're here and it's Sunday, and we're here for day one of Ryan from Australia, who is visiting England and happened to want to stop by. Day one of his 4-day class. You're going to enjoy it. We're going to make hammer-eye tongs first. Second ever heat of blacksmithing. This is amazing. I cannot believe this is his first time forging. It's going amazingly.
Been a real bad boy. I've got a ton of gravel in my shoes, world on my shoulder, heart full of blues. I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt. I've been a real bad boy on the town all night, starting to calm down in the morning light. I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt.
So we've now just made these punches and drifts for the rivets, and we're going to go ahead and heat treat them. Okay, so now it's lunchtime. Okay, so we've just had lunch. It was great, and we're now back in the forge, still forging the other half of these tongs.
I've been a real bad boy on the town all night, starting to calm down in the morning light. I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt, down in the dirt, down in the dirt, down in the dirt.
Aren't these tongs awesome?
Yeah, very good. Very happy with them.
Awesome. Well done.
Thank you very much.
Great stuff.
Looking forward to tomorrow. It'll be really good.
Yes.
Excited.
So it's 17 past midnight in the morning and I'm editing this and I realized I didn't do an outro of any kind. I just wanted to say that that was an awesome day because that was his first ever day of swinging a hammer in a blacksmith shop. He did amazingly. So thank you so much for being here, man. Really looking forward to seeing what we get up to tomorrow. You guys, you wonderful people, thank you for watching this far. I really hope you go ahead and hit a like down below, hit subscribe if you're new to the channel. I make vlogs every single day and I do a live show on Saturdays at 5 PM Eastern Standard Time. Hope you have a lovely day, guys. It means so much for your wonderful viewership, your likes, your comments, your shares, and your subscribes. This is Alec Steele. Bye-bye.
Down in the dirt, down in the dirt.